If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies, you've probably heard about hardware wallets. Today we're looking at Ledger, a popular choice among crypto enthusiasts. But does it live up to the hype, or are there some hidden pitfalls? Ledger is a hardware wallet designed to securely store your cryptocurrencies offline. It supports a wide range of coins, from Bitcoin to Ethereum, and even lesser known altcoins. The user experience is generally straightforward, especially with their Ledger Live app, which allows you to manage your holdings and make transactions easily. One thing that stands out is the security features. Ledger uses a proprietary operating system and secure chip technology to protect your private keys. However, while the setup process is user-friendly, some users may find the initial configuration a bit daunting, especially if they're new to crypto. The intended audience seems to be both beginners and seasoned traders. But it's important to note that the wallet's physical nature means you have to be responsible for its safekeeping. There's also a lack of detailed information about customer support, which might leave some users feeling uncertain if they run into issues. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Ledger's robust security features are impressive, giving users peace of mind. The wide range of supported cryptocurrencies is also a major advantage for those looking to diversify their portfolios. However, there are some frustrations. For one, the price point may seem high for casual users, and there are concerns about the potential for physical loss or damage. Additionally, the lack of comprehensive customer support options can be a drawback for those who might need assistance. This wallet may not suit those who prefer a completely hands-off approach to their crypto investments. But if you're serious about security and managing multiple assets, Ledger could be a solid choice. In conclusion, Ledger is a top contender in the hardware wallet space, especially for security-focused users. If you're serious about crypto and want to take control of your assets, it's worth considering. However, if you're just starting out or prefer a simpler solution, you might want to explore other options first.